going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome on back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart. We're about to do another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. She took a bit of a beating there, guys. I don't know how bad it is on the back, but it looks like they did a lot of the work for you on the front. They've taken everything off that needed taken off. Gaps are good here. Obviously, they're way off here. This hood probably isn't bolted all the way on. Looks like everything is in good, straight condition. This has an X on it because it's got a little tiny bend right there. If you buy this for yourself, you don't have to replace that. Looks like a tiny little bit of damage there. Okay, no big deal. I wouldn't stress that too much, nor would I stress any of this. Well, okay, that is bad. So, okay, replace the fender. The hood looks like it came out all right. Well, maybe not. The hood hinges maybe. Oh, the hood is not bolted on. As I said, yeah, the hinges are not bolted over there, so that could be a problem as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks good. 6.2 liter. I don't know what the miles are on it. It's a beast, though. I mean, this is for sure a beast. Oh, I hope it's not dead. My booster pack is dead. My booster pack is, I hope it fires up. You got a big harness here that is disconnected. Obviously, it has no lights anymore, no parking lights, none of that stuff. So, she's got some aftermarket wheels. What are these? These are Carvanas. I mean, sorry, Cavallos. I don't know. Never heard of them. Don't know who they are. But, I mean, it's got some wheels. She's got some damage all over, guys. It's hard to see it, but there's more. Something raked across it right here, and it left just this nasty ding over there. Looks like got some damage over. Oh, she took back end damage too. Oh, yes, she did. Yeah, I thought it was all front end. Yeah. Oh, wow. These are stripped, knocked out of place, ripped out right here. It's like you got a damaged plug, a damaged connector right here. That's a big one too, guys. Yeah, she's broken on the bottom there. Yeah, this one, the rear hatch is all tore up. Oh, wow. Yep, somehow I missed this. I guess I didn't look at all the pictures. I didn't realize she was this bad back here. Good Lord. Wow. Yeah, she took a nice crunch on this inner structure as well. Yeah, I guess I can understand why she's salvaged now. It's all, I mean, this thing is tore up all. It's bad. It's bad. 133,000 miles on the odometer. Good Lord. Yep, energy drink. Gross. Well, let's see, does she want to run? I don't see any lights in here. Oh, of course not. Of course not. Dead as a doornail. I wish I'd brought my other booster pack out here with me. I really do. I'd like to start some more of these vehicles. Unfortunately, like I said, I'm not walking way out there to go back to get a booster pack when I'm on my very last set of cars. This one is far beyond what I thought it was. I guess it pays to really look at the pictures. Yeah, sometimes you get excited, you get in a hurry, right? I'm sure some of you have done it. I just did, and you go through and you're like, oh, this one. Well, you might want to really pay attention, but that's okay, because next to that we got this one. Yep, Mitsubishi 3000GT. You guys remember these? What a cool car. Looks like she took a little bit of damage to the passenger side front, but overall not too bad. It's got some Vision wheels. Vision, yep, some Vision wheels, and somebody threw a ginormous Mitsubishi badge over there. 100,000 miles on the odometer. Listed as mechanical damage. Interesting. I love this old car, and some of you are going to hate this kind of matte blue color. I kind of like it. Looks like we got some suspension damage right there as well. Definitely got some suspension damage on this side as well. Something happened along this side that caused her to end up here. I'm not sure why they did this black in the middle of the hood. That didn't do the car any favors at all, nor the black down there. Yeah, it's all right, I guess. They did make the interior look pretty decent, though. Somebody put some money into this. Look at these seats. Racing seats. Ooh, nice. Somebody put a little work into this. Normally the interiors on these are trash. I mean, they're junk. The interiors go to hell in a handbasket real quick on these cars. And surprisingly also, those are the factory rear seats there, and they still look to be in good condition. Wonder if she's got any juice. Probably not. It's an automatic, that's a shame. Oh, that door tried to get me. Yeah, she's dead as a doornail. And she's an automatic, which, you know, yeah, I mean, it's all right, but these are, they're a lot more fun as a manual transmission car. They really are. I wonder what this is going for. A single cam or twin? Twin cam. Twin cam, the dual overhead cam. Man, oh man. These are great cars. You just got to keep that timing belt changed. That's super important on these. Keep that timing belt changed. Got you a Duracell battery up there. I can see the color used to be white. That's not a wrap either. That's paint. It's got overspray all over the place. So yeah, that's definitely somebody put some work into this car. What a shame that it ended up sitting out here, man. I think it's still a good looking car. I do. All right, let's see what else we can get ourselves into. Next on my list, how about a police truck? That's right, a police pickup truck. 2015 Ram 1500. Hemi, baby. She's got the sirens. Look at this. Look at this. Siren, lights. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. You got your police light over here, your spotlight. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got the running boards. Well, this doesn't look like a police truck. Where's all the buttons? Oh, they took everything out. They took everything out. Look. See where they had wires and everything running through here? They took all the console stuff that was in here out. What is this? A bent push rod. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, gee, I wonder if this truck runs. Probably not. If it does, it probably doesn't run very well. Oh, man. Okay. All right. She's a 4x4 also. I wonder if the engine is taken apart or if they put it back together. 178,000 miles on the odometer. Oh, she's got juice. It's listed as a run and drive. Well, hell, let's see what it does. Gee, it has a misfire. Can't imagine why. Huh. Why would it have a misfire, I wonder? I mean, if you take out a push rod, right? I guarantee you this was in there making a lot of noise. So it's been removed. And although she still has a misfire, sounds pretty good. Let's give her a little rev. Yeah. Yeah, just one dead miss. How bizarre. Yeah, there was stuff mounted up here too that's missing. So this must have been like an undercover police car. This is cool. I'm serious, like, this is pretty cool. Let's pop the hood. What is this? Some type of an OBD splitter that they had on here. That's interesting. Okay. All right. Important window works. You have to assume that there's more wrong with this truck than it just needs a push rod. You know, what does the push rod cost? $3? $2? $3? $5? If it was just a matter of replacing the push rod, I'm pretty sure while they had the engine apart, they would have just gone ahead and done it. Obviously, that did not happen, or it happened and that did not work. The engine's put back together, at least on this side. Let's take a look over here at this side. Yeah, everything's been put back together. Valve covers are all bolted down. So I guess you'd probably be safe to assume that she's got some internal mechanical damage going on there, guys. That's a shame, though. That's a shame. This is a nice truck. It could be fixed for sure. It could be fixed. Unfortunately, the lights and everything, even though they're still installed, all the equipment is gone. So yeah, you can't use any of that. I mean, I guess you're not supposed to anyway. So all right, moving on. Well, unfortunately, my last car is missing. It was another police car. It was a Dodge Charger police car. You see a theme lately? We've been looking at a lot of cop cars. I'm looking for another cop car. Yeah, preferably with the lights and everything and still working. The Tahoe we looked at before, that one was sitting at $10,000. So obviously that's too rich for my blood. I had to walk away from that one. So I found the police Charger out here, but it's missing. It's gone. I'm looking around. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. I've walked around, I just can't find it. It still shows that it's for sale. It's just not where it's supposed to be. So I guess that means the video's over. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Stay safe out there, buddy. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.